Well, howdy y'all, Smithers here. I'm fixing to show you the proper way to get the flywheel off a motorcycle or ATV. I've done this with a screwdriver, a big screwdriver and a hammer before, but I don't like doing that, and I have been a crankshaft doing that. Even if you screw the nut back on there to keep boogering up the end of it, you can hit it hard enough to bend that shaft and still not get that flywheel off. Now, I bought this set of pullers off of eBay. They're just cheap ones. Poor man's way, you know. I think they were about $32. I've always wanted a set of these, so I spoiled myself and I bought me a set. And this is my first time to use them since I bought them. We're fixing to try them. Well, there's the nut off of there pretty easy. Now, you just got to pick out the right one. Pick out the right size. That's not it. It's going to be bigger. And it's a fine thread. I can see that. It's one of the finer thread ones. It's not that one. I'm going to try the other end of this one. It's not that either. Oh, I should have got my calipers and measured this, but I figure I'm not in a hurry, and y'all ain't in a hurry, surely. No, I don't think that's it either. I'm going to lay that aside for just a minute. Got to back up the bolt so it'll have a chance to start. That's not it. Trial and error, boys and girls. I believe this is a left-hand threaded one. Yep. I don't think that's left-handed thread, but I think it's this size. Huh. It is a left-hand thread one. About that. I don't want to booger up the threads on my puller here. A lot of these are left-hand threads. Now, just tighten this bolt up in the middle. Looks like I'm going to have to hold it by the starter deal here. I still don't suspect this will be easy. These are never easy. I've never taken one off that was easy. They're all a pain. It's the story of my life, dealing with stuff that's a pain. I believe it got it. Oh yeah, beauty. Beautiful. Looky there. It's off. This is an old Suzuki LT125. And bear with me a second and I'll tell you what size that was. It's the only left-handed thread one in the kit. That's a 27 by 1.0. That's unexpected. Figured that'd only be on the Hondas. But I've never had myself a set of pullers other than a couple that goes on the slide hammer for these, and they're not too good. This thing is not firing good, so I decided to clean up the stator here, and I think it was worth it because it looks pretty bad. I think that could be part of it. I'm going to clean this stator up really good and put this back together. Anyway, that's it. If you're going to be pulling a flywheel on a motorcycle or ATV, go get you a set of these pullers off of eBay. They're really worth it. You see how easy that was, and I didn't expect it to be easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and And I appreciate y'all. Come back and watch some more of my stuff.